purposes. That is only. Okay, give slash n. No worries. All of you, we have the scenario. This is testing purposes. You do have large of 10 types of documents payments, and you want to do the payments to the time. Okay, we should raise the invoices, right, for the particular vendor. Change the company code. Okay, company code is there, and take out the vendor 9411 vendor. See, you can take any vendor. There is no any issue. But the testing purposes only, I'm creating and I'm showing you the new vendor. Okay, and give the invoice date 01/07/2023. Any references and the amount. Go to the simulate option. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, go to the document. Go to the document. No. Go up. Okay, good. No issue. Remove this thing and try to post 4 more invoices. Try to post 4 invoices more. Give the vendor. Okay. Enough. Or else, yes, post the Okay, good. So we have posted these invoices, right? Can you go to the transaction code FBL1N? Go to the transaction code FBL1N. Yes. Go to the continue option. No issue. So we have the amount, that is how much amount, can you come down? 5 lakh rupee total. Okay. See, all of you, the main important thing for the particular date. Okay. Uh, we cannot enter the 1,25,000, 1,50,000, 75,000 for each and every vendors, right? See, we can able to enter it F-53 transaction code. You can able to enter 5 lakh rupee. That is not a choice here. Okay, we can able to enter it. But when it comes to the automatic payment program, you have a lot of vendors. Okay, so to make the payments to the each and every vendor, okay, we will give from vendor to vendor, right? So we do have 1,000 invoices. Suppose let's take the example of 5 invoices, and at a time we want to pay it. So through automatic payment program only it will be possible thing, right? So that is why just give /n and go to the transaction code F110. Okay, so give run date as 01.07.2023. All of you, if you have the tolerance group for the payables and all, or I mean tolerance due days and all, based on due dates only, you can just give the run date. Okay, if it is a 2 days, run on the 03.07.2023. If it is a 5 days, 06.07.2023. Okay, I don't have, I mean, for the particular company code, we don't have any tolerance days for payables, right? So that is why I'm just giving. So give identification as Ranjit1, RAJ1, RAJ1. RAJ1 or RANJ, that is your choice. Go to the parameters. No parameters entered. We will going to enter the parameters. Parameters tab. Okay. So next payment date, documents date. Okay. And documents entered up to 01.07.2023. Okay. Give the company codes. Give your company codes. And we should give all these company codes, all of you. So if you have 2 company codes, you should give it. Okay. And next payment date is 02.07.2023. I'm just giving the next payment date is 02.07.2023. Okay, and that is payment method is R. Okay, for the vendor, all of you just observe from vendor to vendor. Okay, at a time, if you want to run the 2 vendors, okay, so tomorrow you have free time, right? So make the create the vendors and post the invoices for the 2 vendors and run the payments. Okay, that is also one scenarios. I mean, I will tell you all these scenarios in one session. Okay, that is why I'm just showing you the configurations and testings here. And in the accounts vendor, take out the vendor account. Take out the vendor account. Go to the continue option. Take out the vendor account. Yes. Select this thing. I mean, copy this thing in the 2, paste it. In the 2 field, just paste it. Okay, right? So the next one is go to the free selection tab. See, all these are comes into the scenarios learnings, all of you. In the free selection tab, how we can able to exclude the values, how you can able to exclude the document number ranges and all, how you can able to exclude the vendors, how you can able to exclude the customers. That I mean, in your mail ID, all these videos are there. If you are very much interested, okay. I mean, if you don't want to waste your time, you can just go through it and do it. Go to the additional log. No need to give anything here. Go to the additional log. And if we have errors, okay, if we have errors, we need to check with the due date check. Okay, tick mark on the due date check. Yes. And the next one is payment method selection if not successful. Payment method selection if not successful. If it is not successful, okay, what is the error? We should try it, right? So in the vendor, take out the vendor, take out the vendor, or else go to the parameter. You have copied, right? Just give Control V. In the two option also just give from two. Okay, everything is perfect, right? Go to the status button. Go to the status button. Save it. Yes. Go to the save data. Okay. So we have entered the parameters. So then next, what we need to do? So in the proposal run, we are giving the proposal that so we should make the payments to the particular vendor. So based on the proposal only, proposal will give you the identification or will give you the permission to make the payments to the vendors. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have. And see all of you, one more thing, there is a printout data medium exchange. Okay, so data medium exchange printout will be there. Okay, and when it comes to the data medium exchange, okay, we can able to give the data medium exchange file format things. Okay, based on the format things only, we can able to give the payment printout data medium exchange. Okay, on that thing we can able to create the file whatever the payments that you have created for the vendor. Okay, I mean when it comes to the technical configuration like data medium exchanges and all, we will do it. You don't worry. Go to the proposal run. Go to the proposal run. Yes, just select the start immediately. Select the start immediately, and the start date will be same. Okay, and go to the continue option. Go to the continue option. Okay, click on the enter. Click on the enter. Okay, so this payment proposal has been run. Okay, I mean this payment proposal has been created. So if that payment proposal has been created is okay, right? And whether this system is allowing the payments or not, and that should be in a green color mark. If it is in a red color mark, automatically I mean when it comes to the one configurations, we have done one mistake. Okay, system will show you the things. Go to the edit proposal. Go to the edit proposal. Pencil proposal is there, right? No. Pencil proposal. Yes. Go to the pencil proposal. Go to the continue option. Go to the continue option. So see all of you, it is in a green color mode. Okay. So total 5 lakh we can able to clear it. If it is in a red color mode, come back. We should go to the yellow color proposal tab. Come back one step back. See, if you are getting any errors, okay, we will go to this display proposal log. Now it is not at all important. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have. Can you go to the payment run and try to do the payment? And start immediately. Go to the continue option. Yes. Okay, click on the enter. So one generated, one completed. That is 5 lakh is generated for the ZP document, and ZP document 1 is completed. You got my point, right? Can you take out the new session, go to the FBL 1 and try to find out whether we do have open items or not. Try to find out whether we do have open items or not for the particular vendor. Okay, see there is no open items. Go to the cleared items, execute it. So we have cleared all these things and the balance is 0. All of you, do you have any doubts? This is the way we can able to do the configurations for the automatic payment program. See, this is not the end configurations for the automatic payment program. We do have a lot of scenarios. Okay, I think so on the date of okay, on the 8th date, I will discuss more scenarios, real-time scenarios. Okay, in company, what they will do. Okay, in for the client, what they will do. Okay, optimizations will be there based on the vendor accounting groups will be there, and based on the customer groups they will do the operations. Okay, based on the exclusion values of the vendors, exclusion values of the document types, number ranges, also how we can able to exclude. Okay, see, all these things will be asked in the interview only, not how you have done the configurations for the automatic payment program and all. They will just ask you the scenario that we can call it as a enhancements. Okay, so tomorrow we have the class at so what is the time? Mention your time. Tomorrow Sunday, right? Mention your time. I will be there at the time. So I will going to stop this recording, all of you. Please download it.